Hey guys, Friday, about to head out to continuing education, but I wanted to follow up on a blog I wrote a couple days ago. It's on this concept of measuring your profitability by cash in and cash out. And what I mean by this is I'm seeing lots of people when I talk to them, they say, in my business, I haven't really made a profit yet because I've spent more cash than I brought in. And while on the surface that might sound reasonable, it's a little off, and I'm going to tell you why. Let me give you a quick example. It's spelled out in my blog, and I'm going to put the blog in the link to the blog in the comments below. But I just want to give you a quick example for those that don't have time to read my blog. Basically, it goes like this. Let's say you buy inventory, 10,000 units for $1 each. So you've spent $10,000, and let's assume you sell 1,000 of those units for $5 each. So you would have made $5,000 in sales, but you've spent $10,000. So you might be thinking, I've lost $5,000, and it's really a short-sighted way of thinking of things. Really, you've made $4,000 because you've sold 1,000 units at $5 each, so you have $5,000 in sales, but you've got cost of goods sold of only $1,000. And how do you have that? Well, the reason is because you only paid $1 per unit for those 1,000 units you've sold. The remaining $9,000 is on your balance sheet as an asset. So in this simple example, is not considering operating expenses and others, you would have made $4,000 profit. So you'd be more likely to continue buying these units if you could sell them and make $4 per unit on every item. So that's just a quick example of how you might have negative cash flow in this example, $10,000 out, $5,000 in, negative cash flow of $5,000, but have profited $4,000. So just wanted to give you guys a quick little example of how that works, how you can be profiting but have negative cash flow in that example. It's really spelled out in my blog, and if you got any questions, as always, shoot me a comment on Facebook. I'd love to hear from you.